good impact of this. So I think that you have to consider which one is better, and I think use your social media properly. Yeah, no, maybe you're going to be famous sometimes.
Allah.
This is good, but yeah, if this is that way, yeah, it's not really good to be famous in this way. I think I recommend it to you to should not use this way. I think that's all. Thank you.
Alright, very awesome. Alright, any questions so far?
I have
Okay, please.
Mr. Azizi.
Yes.
You maybe know about the topic which very viral now about Habib Rizik
Allah.
status. You know about we just share about what 7
million. Million.
7 million ya, 7 million such states right? What do you think about that? How the positive or negative about this idea from social media?
Yeah.